Hello, my name is Giovanesa Cabeza Rueda. Here is my travel guide video. Santa Marta is a wonderful place where there are unforgettable landscapes such as the green of its mountains, the blue of its seas, the yellow of the sun. You can do many activities that rely swim, water, skiing, walking on the beach, diving, and finally visit the aquarium. Travel types. You must visit tourist places like Tayrona Park. You must not forget to screen because it's very soon there. You have to bring a good cell phone to take pictures of beautiful landscapes. If you are in Santa Marta, you cannot live what training the fish. One of the tropical foods is the fried mojarra, also carimanola of yuca stuffed with cheese or ground meat. The people there are very friendly, and visit this place is living a wonderful experience. I highly recommend this site.